Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Educational Alliance. Today, we've got an important topic to discuss. Securing your Gmail account with two-step verification. I'm Jack, and in this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Before we dive into the setup process, let's quickly talk about what two-step verification is and why it's crucial for your Gmail account. Two-step verification adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring not only your password but also a second form of verification. This significantly enhances the protection of your personal information. Before we begin, make sure you have your Gmail account credentials and access to a mobile device. Two-step verification often involves receiving codes on your phone, so it's important to have it handy. So, let's come on the computer screen, where we will do step by step. As you see, our Gmail account is opened and we are on Dashboard. At top right side you see profile icon of Gmail account. Just click on it. And go to Manage your Google account. The new tab will be opened and you will be landing it here. Now click this Security tab. And scroll down. At here you see, currently two-step verification is off. So to do on just click on it. Then scroll down and press Get Started. At here you need to enter your mobile number that you want to use for two-step verification on your Gmail account. And click Next button at here. You will receive 6-digit code into your mobile. Just enter that 6-digit code at here. And then click on Next button at here. As you see, two-step verification is now worked. To turn on this verification on your Gmail account, press Turn On button at here. Now two-step verification is on into your Google or Gmail account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more technical tips. Stay secure out there. And I will see you in the next video.